What if the food you thought was too fatty is actually healing your heart right now? The same creamy avocado you spread on toast could be nature's most powerful heart medicine. But here's the shocking part. Most people are eating it wrong.
Welcome to Dr. Food Science, where we break down the truth about what you eat, one bite at a time.
For decades, fats were painted as the villain, clogging arteries, raising cholesterol, and leading to heart disease. But modern science has flipped that story. The right kind of fat doesn't harm your heart. It protects it. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the healthy kind that lowers bad cholesterol, LDL, while boosting the good one, HDL. Each bite helps clear your arteries and balance your cholesterol naturally. And that's not all. The potassium in avocados relaxes your blood vessels, lowering blood pressure and easing strain on your heart. Hidden inside that green flesh are antioxidants like lutein and beta-sitosterol. These compounds shield your heart cells from damage, repair inflammation, and keep your blood flowing freely. One 2023 study even found that people who ate one avocado a day had a 21% lower risk of heart disease. If you're learning something new, give this video a like so YouTube knows you love science-backed health secrets. And hit subscribe to join our community of smart eaters discovering how food can heal the body. Fat doesn't make you fat, the wrong kind does. When you choose natural fats like avocado instead of processed oils, your body burns fat more efficiently, your arteries stay clean, and your heart thrives. It's not just a fruit, it's your body's natural heart defender. So next time someone says, avoid fats, smile, slice that avocado and say, I'm healing my heart. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell, and join the Dr. Food Science family, where every bite brings you closer to a healthier, smarter life.